Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Nisha. How are you? I hope you are doing great, fantastic. So let's start this video. My dear friend, in this video I will tell you how you can increase your timing in reading and listening. Why? Because only these two things are very important for consuming the information, ideas, words and structures. So when you will listen a lot, when you will read a lot, then you will consume a lot. When you will consume a lot, then you will speak effortlessly and fluently. So how you can increase your timing? Hardly we listen 1 and 2 hour, okay, and read for 4, 5, 6 pages. But how you can increase your timing for 3, 4 hours, and moreover enjoy this journey? Yes, I will tell you one technique. By using that, you will start listening for 3, 4 hours and enjoy this journey too. So for that and making this possible, you have to choose your own genre. Yes, my dear friend, you heard it right. You have to choose your own genre. Means you have to read what you love to read. You have to listen what you love to watch. Let's suppose you love to read a storybook, then you must read a storybook, because by reading a storybook you can read a lot. You can spend more hour in reading and immerse yourself, because you will be reading your favorite things. And same thing you have to do in listening as well. Let's suppose you love to watch cartoons video, anything, okay, it could be anything: cartoon, sports, movie and conversation video, podcast, anything, etc., anything. Choose that one which you love to listen, okay. When you will choose your loving things which you love to watch, it obvious that you are going and spend more hour in listening, and most important things you will enjoy and immerse yourself, my dear friend. In this way, by choosing your favorite things for reading, for watching, you can immerse yourself in watching, in listening, in reading, and that's how you will consume a lot. Because by reading, by listening, we consume information, words, sentences, structures, ideas, way of expressing. We learn. When we will learn these things will help to speak English confidently, fluently, and effortlessly. And you won't have to struggle for words, for how I should say I'm not understanding. Yeah, for framing the sentences. Yeah, for any ideas, because you are listening a lot, you are reading a lot, you have immersed yourself, and most important things, you are enjoying. When it will be possible, when you will choose your favorite things for reading, for listening, and then you can consume a lot, and those things help you for becoming fluent, to becoming confident in English and speak effortlessly. And most important things, my dear friend, in this way, you can make your journey easier and happier. Your English journey, you can make easier and happier. You will enjoy, and your learning will happen automatic and effortlessly. जब आप कोई चीज़ें ऐसा चीज़ कर रहे हैं जो आप बहुत पसंद करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे हर चीज़ जो है अपने आप होते जाएगा। आपको जो है खुद को पुश नहीं करना पड़ेगा, खुद को मोटिवेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा, आपको खुद को रेडी नहीं करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे रीडिंग करना है, मुझे लिसनिंग करना है। नो, ऑल द मोटिवेशन, एक्साइटमेंट, enthusiasm will be in you, and not one day, every day. And you will do it with your excitement, with motivation, and with enjoyment every day, with consistency. You won't make excuses for this. When you will choose your favorite things to do and listen in English, then it will be possible. And that's how, my dear friend, you can make it possible and speak English fluently, confidently, effortlessly, and moreover enjoy this learning journey, speaking learning journey. So why not to do this? You have to do reading, listening, speaking, writing for speaking English, for becoming fluent in English. So why not to choose in reading your favorite things? Why not to watch your favorite things in English and make it happy and easier, and and speak English fluently and effortlessly? So my dear friend, you must do if you want. And now I told you how you can make it possible. So if you like this video, I will say avail yourself of this technique and apply in your learning journey, and make your learning journey easier, happier, and learn English in enjoying way and effortlessly. And in this way, my dear friend, one day you will speak English fluently, confidently, and effortlessly. So if you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.